So if you're looking for a machine that's substantial but sturdy, but at the same time very nimble and agile, then I have here the MyCenter HX250iG from Kitamura, and of course supplied here in the UK by Dugard. Now these machines are so exciting. The speed they move, these are BBT 30 machines, and when you look at what you see here, you're talking about a machine that's got a 15,000 RPM spindle, but it moves at 60 meters a minute in the rapids, and that B-axis that you see there that's just moved can actually rotate at 300 RPM as well, which means essentially you could turn on this machine. So you've got milling, high speed milling, and then the ability to turn as well, and you've got 2 microns of guaranteed positional accuracy, now not just in a small area but over the full travel of the machine. So that's an impressive part, that's fast. But what about productivity? Well, that's where this machine scores as well, because here we've got a pallet pool on this machine, and of course you're looking here at the loading station, and this does demonstrate the size of workpiece that you can get on here, which is 350 millimeters in diameter by 400 mm in height, weighing 100 kilograms. So you load the machine from here. The advantage, the big advantage here then, is you have this pallet system in here where you've got an additional 8 pallets. So in total, you've got 10 pallets, 1 loading, 1 machining, and 8 in storage that can be fed into the machine. Where's the advantage? Well, it's pretty obvious. We talk about it a lot. It's the unmanned run. It's going home at night and coming in the morning to dozens or hundreds of completed components. Doing that is one thing, but making sure those parts are right is another. And that's where these two pieces of hardware, should we call them, pair together superbly, because the Kitamura solution, albeit a one-hit machining solution here, a production cell, this is an extremely reliable one thanks to the geometric accuracy of these machines. They're all hand scraped, all built in Japan, and at the moment there is a considerable discount on some of the Kitamura machines available from Dugard here, including this one which is in stock. These machines, I have to say, are changing the landscape of UK manufacturing. People are putting one spindle with several pallets into their machine shop, cutting down on their operator intervention, leaving the machines to run unmanned and reducing the costs of their parts, improving cycle times and becoming more productive. Now's your opportunity. Talk to Dugard about this Kitamura HX250G.